I think some of it is the pacing and some of it is the names. And just the way that you move in yoga, because, I've heard people say, I'm not gonna do a pose and stick my butt up in the air. And I've never thought about that, but I'm like, that's down dog,
Yeah.
People look at that and they think, well, I can't do that, so I can't do yoga. But we just take them through things that are graceful and gentle and hopefully exhilarating as well.
You kind of think about it and you're like, oh yeah, there's gonna be some guy like yelling at me in spandex to like do this and like telling me cheesy jokes, and we really want to change that and turn it into more of a class experience.
People have a notion of what they think yoga may or may not be. And I think that often when people do step onto their mat and have an experience, it's different than what they thought it was.